Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by readying the hardware and the correct files. Make sure the 3DS has over 50% battery and Wi-Fi is stable. You don't want interruptions. Next, confirm your console already runs compatible custom firmware or a payload like Hecate, because those tools allow theme installation. Once done, copy the theme's CIA or 3DS theme and any icons into the SD card's designated folders. I explain why. The firmware grants write access, and the SD layout lets the 3DS locate the new You now perform the actual installation step by step. Boot the 3DS into your custom firmware or the Homebrew launcher so tools can run. Then open FBI for CIA packages or a theme manager for 3DS theme files. Follow the install prompts, accept region confirmation, and allow file writes. If you're using raw 3DS theme files, put them in the /themes/ folder on the SD card and select them in Theme Manager. This method writes assets where the system expects them and updates theme entries. Finish by applying and verifying the theme yourself. Reboot the 3DS, open theme settings, and choose the installed theme. It should preview and apply instantly. If the theme doesn't appear, check common issues, correct folder names, proper file extensions, and that your firmware version supports that theme format. Also confirm the CIA installation succeeded. A key troubleshooting tip. Always keep a backup of your SD card before changes so you can restore if installation corrupts files or causes problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.